Alright, good day all. We are continuing the series of construction, and in today's session, we are going to look at bisecting a line. Now, before we go into the theory of bisecting a line, we must first know what on earth it means to bisect something. Well, bisect has two syllables, bi and sect. So, bi means two. So, when we speak about bisecting a line, we are actually talking about dividing or cutting a line into two equal pieces. And that is literally what bisect means. So now bisect refers to something, if it cuts in two equal pieces, it refers to the middle. So in other words, we have to find the middle of the line, and yes, we can use a ruler. However, with construction, you must show some sort of construction lines. So let's start. Bisect the line below. So we have to bisect this line here. And now to bisect the line, we are going to use the endpoints of this line, and we're going to treat the endpoints as two circles. Now, it is important to note that 1. You leave all construction lines. 2. You use a sharpened pencil. And 3. Once you start the construction, do not readjust the radius of the compass, please. Because for this trick to work, you must use two congruent or two exact circles. Alright? So, position the point of the compass at the start of the line. Let me just open up my compass a little bit so I can see it better. Nice. Position the compass at the start of the line. Wonderful. And open it now to more than half the line. That's roughly it there. And we draw a long arc both above and below the line. Right. And now we repeat the process. Position the point of the compass at the end of the line. And without readjusting the compass, I repeat, without readjusting, we then draw another arc intersecting the previously drawn arc. So, this is one line, one arc, sorry. This is another arc. Wonderful. And to complete our diagram, to complete our construction, with the use of a ruler, we then draw a straight line connecting or passing through these 2 points. Now we can go from point to point, from here to here, passing through this line, or we can even exceed and go beyond the points. But because I'm not using a ruler here, I am going from point to point to make my diagram accurate. That's roughly about it there. And we have just bisected a line. So you can use now a ruler and measure the distance from the start to the center, from the end to the center, and you will realize they are the same distance, they are the same length. Now notice this arc here, this piece of arc, this arc, and this arc in the center here, they are not important. Now with practice, you can actually draw your arc smaller, just like how I draw my small intersecting arcs. You can draw this arc here, but as you will see in the other examples, they may not be so simple, but with practice they will become simple. So I just bisected a horizontal line. Now let us bisect a vertical line, and yes, it involves the same exact principle. So position the compass at the start of the line. That's roughly there. Open the compass to more than half the line, and we draw an arc both above and below the given line, and we repeat, Position now the point of the compass at the end of the line and we draw a small intersecting arc above and below the line. What happened there? My ink finish? Right. And then with the use of a ruler, of course, draw a straight line connecting or passing through both points. There we go. We have just bisected a vertical line. Now, take it in for a moment, and we are then going to bisect a slanted line or a line with a gradient. Let's stick to the word slanted for now. Yes, a slanted line. So, once again, position the point of the compass at the start of the line. Open the compass to more than half. And once we have started the construction, the radius will never change. Keep that in mind, please. And now we draw an arc above and below the line. Wonderful. Reposition the compass, the point of the compass, at the end of the line. And I draw my small intersecting arcs above and below the lines. Wonderful. Now I use my straight line, in my case, and in your case a ruler and a pencil, and I draw it through my intersection points. Voila. We have just bisected a slanted line. Now with practice, we both can get more accurate, and remember, always use a sharpened pencil, please, and leave all your construction lines. Ciao.